In this presentation, we will understand non-uniform memory access, commonly known as NUMA. NUM is a memory architecture used in modern multiprocessor systems, where memory access time depends on the location of the memory relative to the processor. This concept plays an important role in improving performance and scalability in parallel and distributed computing systems. In the following slides, we will explore how NUM works, its hardware structure, and why it is widely used in high-performance servers and computing environments. What is NUMA? A revolutionary memory architecture. In NUMA, memory is distributed, meaning each processor socket has its own dedicated local memory. This design allows faster local access, as processors always prioritize accessing their own memory node first. NUM systems use an interconnected design, where high-speed links enable processors to access remote memory when required. By partitioning memory into nodes, NUM reduces contention and enables true multicore scalability, making it highly efficient for parallel and high-performance computing systems. NUM architecture visualization. NUM nodes. Independent processor memory pairs. Interconnects. Quick path or hypertransport links. Shared resources. Accessible across all nodes. Local versus remote memory access. Local memory access. Low latency. High bandwidth. Direct connection. Optimal performance. Remote memory access. Higher latency. Reduced bandwidth. Interconnect traversal. Performance degradation. Operating system and application support for NUMA. NUMA-aware OS features. First touch allocation, pages assigned to accessing processor's node. NUMA-aware thread scheduling. Dynamic memory migration. Topology discovery and mapping. Linux NUM support. Windows NUM APIs. Solaris MPO. Challenges and trade-offs in NUM systems. Domain migration overhead. Moving processes between nodes to optimize locality incurs performance cost during transition. Programming complexity. Developers must explicitly consider memory locality patterns for optimal performance. Hardware investment requires specialized interconnects like quick path or hypertransport, increasing system cost. Hardware breakdown. In this architecture, processors are grouped into nodes, and each node has its own dedicated memory along with an integrated memory controller, also known as IMC. These nodes are connected to each other through high-speed interconnects, such as Intel UPI or AMD Infinity Fabric, which allow efficient communication between nodes. The cache structure also plays an important role. L1 and L2 caches are present per core, while the L3 cache is shared per processor. This cache organization helps optimize local data access and improves overall system performance in parallel and distributed computing environments. NUM in action, operating system and software role. To achieve optimal performance, both the operating system and applications must be NUM-aware. The operating system manages memory allocation in such a way that data is kept local to the processor that is running the corresponding thread. By maintaining thread affinity and memory affinity, the system reduces costly remote memory access. This also helps in minimizing cache misses and improves overall system performance. Therefore, NUM-aware operating systems and software play a crucial role in fully utilizing NUM architecture. Performance benefits and trade-offs. NUM improves scalability and memory bandwidth in multi-socket systems. reduces contention on a single memory bus, enabling high parallelism. However, excessive remote memory access can degrade performance. Techniques like domain migration and affinity tuning help mitigate overhead. Challenges and trade-offs in NUM systems. One major challenge is domain migration overhead. When processes are moved between NUM nodes to improve memory locality, it introduces a performance cost during the transition. Another challenge is programming complexity. Developers must explicitly consider memory locality patterns to achieve optimal performance, which makes application design more complex. Additionally, NUM systems require significant hardware investment. They depend on specialized high-speed interconnects, such as QuickPath or Hypertransport, which increases the overall system cost. These factors must be carefully balanced when designing and using NUM-based systems. Real-world impact, where NUM matters most. NUM is widely used in servers, high-performance computing clusters, and enterprise-grade multi-socket systems, where large-scale processing is required. It enables the system to efficiently handle large memory footprints and parallel workloads by allowing faster access to local memory within each node. This improves performance and scalability in demanding applications. A good example of NUM implementation can be seen in modern processors such as Intel Xeon and AMD EPYC, which use NUM architecture to support high scalability and efficient resource utilization. Limits of Uniform Memory Access, UMA. In UMA architecture, all processors share a single memory pool, and every processor has equal access time to the memory. While this design is simple, a bottleneck emerges as the processor count grows. As more processors try to access the same memory simultaneously, memory bandwidth becomes limited, which slows overall system performance. To overcome these scalability and bandwidth limits of UMA, NUM architecture was introduced, providing better performance for large-scale parallel systems. NUM, the core concept. Each processor, or socket, has its own local memory region called a NUM node. Access to local memory is faster, remote memory access, other nodes, is slower. Non-uniform means memory latency varies depending on memory location relative to the processor. Advantages of NUMA. NUM supports a large number of processors efficiently when compared to traditional UMA systems. In NUM, accessing local memory is quicker than accessing remote memory, which improves performance. Since each processor or node has its own local memory contention is significantly reduced. By distributing memory across nodes, NUM helps reduce bottlenecks that occur in shared memory systems. As a result, NUM is well-suited for multi-threaded and parallel workloads, especially when data is placed close to the processor that uses it. Disadvantages of NUMA. In NUM systems, remote memory access is slower than local memory access, which can affect performance if data is not placed properly. Because of this, programmers must carefully consider data placement and memory locality while designing applications. NUM also requires sophisticated operating system support for efficient scheduling and memory management. If incorrect data placement occurs, it can lead to frequent remote memory accesses, increasing latency. As a result, performance tuning in NUM systems is more challenging when compared to UMA systems. Conclusion: NUM powers modern high-performance computing. NUM effectively balances memory access speed and scalability, making it suitable for today's demanding workloads. It is essential for maximizing performance in multi-core and multi-socket systems, where efficient memory access is critical. By understanding how Noom works and by placing data close to the processor that uses it, systems can achieve significantly better performance. Therefore, understanding and leveraging Noom architecture is key for system architects and developers who aim to achieve peak efficiency and scalability in parallel and distributed computing environments.